Everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am a senior data analyst and today I am explaining you what is the use of DAX Query View. So, DAX Query View is an important feature in a Power BI. Okay, using the DAX Query View, we can test our calculation without creating a measure. Okay, for example, you want to calculate total sum. So, what should you do? You can just, as usually, we can just create a measure and then drag and drop into this canva. Okay, I have already created a measure, so I drag it and see, okay, this is the value. Okay, but using DAX query view, I can see my output here. Okay, for example, summarize column, total sale. So this is my major name, uh, comma, sum of amount. Run it. So here I can see total sum. Okay, but if I want to check this value with different category, for example with product, so here I use just add the product. Okay, now here you can see the product and the total sell. So this feature is very important because it allowing us to test our calculation without creating a measure. Thank you for watching this video.